there, Marc&Mandy. It's Daryl with Ridgewater Homes. We are here at this Spanish-style home. These homeowners didn't want to build up or to build out due to all the bylaws that go along with it. So we chose to actually dig down. So on this house, we had a 2-foot crawl and we had to dig down 9 to 10 feet. We are now under this house, and as you can see, we're actually using a quad lock system. It made it a little bit easier to do because when you're underpinning a house, you can't just dig out the full foundation. You got to do 4-foot sections. So you dig out a 4-foot, leave a 4-foot of original soil and stuff. So when this was done, it was done in sections. As you can see here, this is going to be a monolithic pour. The plywood's actually covering all the quad lock just to keep everything together when the concrete's poured. This is our footing, and it's all styrofoam. It's kind of like Legos. It all gets locked in with braces, and you got big blocks that you kind of build up, and then you pour concrete into. And that's what makes our foundation. So we've dug down about 10 feet in order to get in our footings, proper drainage. We've got a lot of supporting beams that we had to put in with pads and strip footings to retain the weight of the house that's up above as well. It's been a major challenge, but this is one way to give yourself more space by digging down and underpinning a house.